10 smartphones that make Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra look stupidly overpriced. Talking Gadget here. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is seriously impressive. It is thin, powerful, packed with AI features, has a massive folding display, and it finally feels like the sort of device that could replace both your phone and tablet. But then you see the price. Starting around $2,000, this is not just an expensive phone, it is a financial decision. At that point, you have to ask a very fair question. Do you really need Samsung's Ultra Foldable, or are there other folding and flip phones that deliver the features you actually care about for much less money? Because the foldable world is no longer just Samsung territory. There are slimmer book-style foldables, camera-focused foldables, ultra-stylish flip phones, and even some affordable options that let you join the foldable club without selling a kidney. So here are 10 smartphones that make the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra look stupidly overpriced. Let's go! Number 10. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Let's start with the obvious one. Samsung's own Galaxy Z Fold 8. Yes, it may sound strange to say the best alternative to Samsung's most expensive foldable is another Samsung foldable. But hear me out. The regular Fold 8 gives you much of the same flagship experience. A Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, premium build quality, Galaxy AI features, a 120Hz folding screen, excellent multitasking, and Samsung's long software support promise. The big difference is the price. It starts noticeably lower than the Ultra, while also introducing a wider, more tablet-like inner display format that may actually suit some people better. It is great for reading, gaming, browsing, photos, documents, and split-screen apps. Sure, you lose the Ultra's upgraded camera system and slightly bigger battery. But unless mobile photography is the main reason you are buying a folding phone, that saving can be huge. This is the sensible choice for someone who wants the Samsung software experience without paying the Ultra tax. Number 9. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. If your priority is cameras, clean software, and genuinely useful AI rather than having the thinnest phone in the coffee shop, the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is a major alternative. Google's foldables are built around the same strengths that make Pixel phones so popular. Excellent computational photography, a simple version of Android, long-term updates, and AI tools that feel integrated rather than slapped on at the last second. The Fold 8 Ultra may have enormous camera hardware on paper, but Google has always been fantastic at taking a photo, processing it intelligently, and making it look better with almost no effort from you. Low-light shots, portraits, quick edits, removing distractions, and capturing moving subjects are exactly where Pixel phones tend to shine. You also get a large internal screen for multitasking and media, plus a normal outer display that works like a regular phone when you do not need to unfold it. If you want a foldable that feels less like a tiny laptop and more like a brilliant camera phone that happens to open into a tablet, Pixel is a very convincing choice. Number 8. OnePlus Open 2. The OnePlus Open 2 is for people who look at the Z Fold 8 Ultra and think, that is impressive, but why does it still feel so expensive and so Samsung? OnePlus has built a reputation around fast performance, fast charging, clean software, and flagship hardware without making everything unnecessarily complicated. Its book-style foldable approach is designed to feel thin, practical, and easy to use, whether you are checking messages on the cover screen or working on the larger inside display. And charging matters more than people admit. A premium folding phone should not be sitting beside an outlet for ages while you wait to get on with your day. OnePlus is often miles ahead when it comes to charging speed, and that can completely change how you use a device. The Open 2 is the alternative for people who want flagship performance, a premium folding design, and less software clutter. It may not have Samsung's enormous ecosystem, but it brings a fresh, fast, enthusiast-friendly experience. Number 7. Honor Magic V5. The Honor Magic V5 is the phone for people who want their foldable to feel like a phone first and a folding gadget second. That sounds simple, but it matters. Older foldables could feel thick, awkward, and narrow when closed. The Magic V5 aims for a far more normal everyday experience, with a slim body, a usable cover display, and an inner screen that opens up when you genuinely need more room. It is also the type of foldable that appeals to people who care about battery life. A large folding display is great, but it means nothing if you are constantly searching for a charger by late afternoon. Honor has been pushing high-capacity battery technology, and that makes the Magic V5 especially attractive for power users. You still get the big screen multitasking experience, flagship-level performance, and a premium camera system, but in a device that is designed to be less cumbersome in your pocket. If the Fold 8 Ultra is the executive briefcase, the Magic V5 is the sleek travel bag that somehow carries just as much. Number 6. Oppo Find N5. The Oppo Find N5 is one of the best choices for someone who wants an elegant foldable without Samsung's tall, narrow design philosophy. Oppo has always taken a slightly different route with foldables. Instead of making a phone that feels narrow when closed and giant when opened, it focuses on proportions that feel natural in both modes. The outer screen is easier to type on, easier to use for social media, and easier to treat like a normal phone. Then, when you unfold it, you get the larger canvas for video, reading, multitasking, and work. It is the best kind of foldable design because you are not forced to compromise. You do not have to unfold the phone just to answer an email comfortably, but you can unfold it when you want the full tablet experience. The Find N5 is for people who care about the actual feel of a device. It proves that the best foldable is not always the one with the biggest number in its name. Number 5. Vivo X Fold 5. Want a foldable that takes cameras seriously? The Vivo X Fold 5 should be on your radar. This is where some foldable brands have been quietly catching up with, and sometimes challenging, traditional flagship camera phones. Vivo is known for putting major effort into image quality, portrait photography, zoom, and low-light performance. That matters because spending premium money on a folding phone should not mean settling for average photos. The X Fold 5 also gives you the proper book-style experience. A large inner display for multitasking, a practical outer display for normal phone tasks, and flagship hardware built into a slim design. It is a great pick for creators, travelers, parents, and anyone who takes more than 10 photos a year. Because let's be honest, a foldable that costs close to $2,000 but cannot take a great photo is just an expensive spreadsheet machine. The Vivo X Fold 5 says you should not have to choose between the flexibility of a foldable and the camera quality of a flagship. Number 4. Huawei Mate X6. The Huawei Mate X6 is one of the most impressive foldable hardware designs in the world. It is slim, polished, premium, and built around a large display experience that feels genuinely futuristic. Huawei has also been pushing hard on camera hardware, battery technology, and foldable durability, making the Mate X6 a device that can look seriously tempting next to Samsung's Ultra model. But there is an important catch. Depending on where you live, Huawei's software situation and app access may make it less convenient than Android phones from Samsung, Google, or OnePlus. Still, for the right buyer, this phone is a showcase of what foldables can be. The hardware is refined, the camera setup is ambitious, and the design makes plenty of other folding phones look outdated. If you are comfortable with the software trade-offs, the Mate X6 gives you flagship foldable hardware without automatically accepting Samsung's top-tier price. Number 3. Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Now, maybe you do not actually need a giant tablet screen in your pocket. Maybe you just want a phone that is powerful, stylish, compact, and genuinely fun to use. That is where the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra comes in. This is a flip phone, which means it folds down into a compact square that fits into pockets and small bags far more easily than any book-style foldable. But when you open it, you get a full flagship-sized smartphone display. The outside screen is the magic part. You can check notifications, reply to messages, control music, use navigation, take selfies with the main cameras, and handle quick tasks without opening the phone at all. And unlike the Fold 8 Ultra, It does not feel like you are carrying a mini tablet everywhere. It is stylish, practical, and far less expensive. For anyone who wants foldable technology but does not need to open 5 apps at once, the Razer 60 Ultra may be the smarter and much more fun choice. Number 2. Xiaomi Mix Flip 2. The Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 is another clamshell phone that makes a strong case against paying ultra-foldable money. It focuses on the things that make flip phones great: compact design, a useful cover screen, flagship-level speed, strong battery life, and cameras that are no longer an afterthought. You can quickly check messages, use apps, frame selfies, control smart home devices, and get through much of your day without unfolding it. Then, when you want a full phone experience, it opens into a large display that feels like any premium smartphone. The big advantage is value. Flip phones give you the foldable experience in a much more affordable package. You lose the huge internal tablet screen, of course, but you also keep a lot more money in your account. The Mix Flip 2 is ideal for buyers who care about style, portability, and having something different from every slab phone in the room. Number 1. Nubia Flip 2. And at number 1, we have the Nubia Flip 2, the option that makes the entire foldable category feel far less exclusive. This is not trying to beat the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in camera hardware, giant screen productivity, or premium materials. Instead, it delivers the thing most people actually want: a modern flip phone that folds, looks cool, handles everyday apps, and does not cost the same as a used car. You still get the satisfaction of snapping it shut. You still get a compact design. You still get a cover screen for quick interactions. And when you open it, you have a full-sized smartphone for streaming, messaging, browsing, and social media. That is why it is such a great alternative. It reminds us that folding phones do not have to be luxury products for tech CEOs and people with suspiciously large upgrade budgets. The Z Fold 8 Ultra is incredible, but it is not the only way to experience the future. The Nubia Flip 2 gives you the fun part of foldable technology without the financial pain. So, does the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra deserve its price? For people who need the best Samsung foldable camera setup, massive multitasking power, long software support, and top-tier build quality, maybe. But for most people, there are plenty of foldables that do the important things just as well, or do one specific thing even better, while costing dramatically less. Would you choose a giant book-style foldable, a compact flip phone, or would you still pay extra for the Fold 8 Ultra? Let me know in the comments, subscribe for more future tech, and as always, stay tech savvy.